Oh, we've got all our diffusers cut in. Controller on the wall. One of our returns marked, which you can kind of see. I'm not. Mr. AJ chucking stuff down. And that's going to be another manhole so we can get down to this end of the building easy. So I've got to sort those cables out. Yeah, put that on it. Got the Broto putting the meter isolation switch on so Wells can change the meter. Because we're also putting 20 solar panels on here with Enphase microinverter system. So in the summer he will be able to run his cooling and not pay for it. Oh yeah, right, ready for the disconnect. You can just pull that straight out of the meter, smack it in there, and smack that into the meter, easy as. So they'll come tomorrow. This is the part that's always fun. A little on switch at the top. Oh, that's the camera. That's the camera.
You idiot.
Shot, bro. Well, when there was no cables and then we ran cables. Nice. Guess you got a J-box to do, Snipey. Yay. Yep. Probably about like, gonna put all 20 meters of this pipe through because the unit is in that part of the roof. So just feeding this in. Then tomorrow we'll get the outside unit and the inside unit in because we've got to lift the roof. And we'll also put our 20 panels on, and I've just heard that they're our new 450 watt panels, which will be pretty cool to install. So yeah, boom. Nice little manhole in. First return grill, but apparently the bolt for the other one might be just up there, so we're just going to have a little peek. Means so the hole was cut just a little too small, which can't really tell. You can kind of tell it bows it in here, so I've just got to give it a little trim with my knife and get that straight so we can close this up. There we go. Well, all finished for the day. We're back there tomorrow for the solar and the rest of the heat pump, and it'll be pretty good. We've got some IQ8 HCs going in, which we've got a special allowance for in New Zealand, so I'll talk some more about them tomorrow. Follow for more from an NZ Tradie.